こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to write ま hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. Ma. This character consists of 3 strokes. All of them end with a stop. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this one. As I said, the first stroke ends with a stop. The second stroke is this one, below the first stroke. And it ends with a stop. The last stroke is this one. First, it goes from top to bottom. Then, it curves to make a loop with a stop at the end. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, 2, and 3. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。